Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you have not already, please subscribe to the channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up as you're listening along today. Today we are continuing my unboxing of a 50-pound denim rescue box from thredUP. This is part 2. I'll try to keep it to around 15 minutes. We're all busy people. We all have things to do. So I don't want to do an overly long video. And whatever I don't finish, I'll be back with in part 3. If you missed any part of part 1, I talked more in depth about what I paid for the box, how I determine resale value and stuff like that. So make sure you catch part 1. And we're just going to continue. So far out of this box, I have pulled 10 bread and butter brands. No poops. But I haven't really found any Bolo brands yet either. So let's just keep going, guys. This is a pair of shorts. They're Abercrombie and Fitch. Size 31. Curve Love. So these are bread and butter all day long. Jean shorts are often more valuable than full-length jeans, even the poopy brands and lower-end bread and butters, because this is something I'll have to comp because I haven't had Abercrombie and shorts for about a year. And we all know that people love to race to the bottom and ruin marketplaces. But this is something I would have listed for about $25. It's a little high because I'll probably sell for more like $20. But I like to give myself room to do sales and offers. Okay. They're all going to start falling out on me. Come on, guys. Come out of the box. This is... I'm going to list them anyway. Because it's what I do. Because I can even move Walmart brand. This is Faded Glory from Walmart. Size small. They are pull-on jeggings or leggings. I use both keywords in the title. Jeggings and leggings. I'm going to list these for $18. They feel light. Feels like they're going to ship first class. They might sell for more like $16 on an offer or something, but I'm listing them. I'm going to get as much money and profit out of this box as I can. I don't want to call something poop unless it's like unsellable. Calvin Klein jeans. Okay, so this is another brand I avoid. I will leave this behind on the rack, even if it's only 99 cents. I don't really deal with Calvin, but we're going to call them bread and butter. And I'm going to list them for $20 and see what happens. All right. Cracked myself up. Thank gosh, because I don't think anyone else thinks I'm funny. Michael Kors. Don't source this, okay? Don't pull this off the racks. But if you get it in a wholesale lot, list it for $20 and see what happens. Maximize every piece you can out of these things. I'm throwing stuff on the floor. All right. Old Navy Boyfriend. Yes. I love boyfriend style. These are shorts, not jeans, but that's fine because I will put these up for about $20. They're size 12. Yeah, I'll put them up for 20. Oh, I gotta mark my paper. Forget. Hollister, short. This is a good bread and butter brand. People think I'm nuts, but I pick it up for 99 cents all the time. The jeans and the little booty shorts like this. And I do well with them. These I'll probably list for right around 20, maybe even a little bit more. I may want to comp them or check my own catalog of listings on see what I price these at. Apollo. So this is poop. I wouldn't pick this up at the thrift, but they're jean shorts. Their size, they're good size. 17, 18, so they're plus size. Cut off. I'm going to call them bread and butter. I don't know what I'm going to start them at. That's a pair I'm going to have to look up. Let's see, because I really don't deal with that brand. This is Old Navy. Good brand. Solid bread and butter. I love it all day long. I think these are men's. Yeah. So these will start at $25 because they're men's. I like selling men's clothing. You can ask more money for it, and you're going to get less returns. This is another Hollister pair of booty shorts. Look at how cute these are. Cuteness. Cute. They're distressed. They're ripped. This is a pair I would want to start more like $22 because they got so much going on and they're just really cute. Then we have AT Denim by Ann Taylor. So these look kind of old though. These might be vintage. Or they just might be a different tag I've never seen. I don't really like dealing with Ann Taylor, but I'm going to list them for $20 and see what happens. Ooh, being attacked. Ooh, I do believe that this is a really good brand. I do believe I've had a couple of these before, but I could be remembering that tag and that brand for the opposite reason. These could be poop. So we're going to put them over here, and at the end we will comp them just to be sure. Then we have our first polo. Look at these. Adriana Goldschmied. Putting those over there to make a thumbnail out of them. Money brand. Adriana Goldschmied all day long, every day. I'll pay up to like $2.50, $3 for that brand. Pull and Bear. Never heard of this. Look at that. Pull and Bear. So we're going to have to comp those. So they go over here. Then we have more shorts. Ooh, button fly. Ooh, inside out. Ooh, they're inside out. They're Old Navy. They're black. They're cut off. They're jean shorts. They have a button fly going on there. Sky High A-line, size 8. Probably start these around 2022 even. Let's see what these are. They're jeans, Star. I know. But they're Old Navy. Straight. And they're size 34 by 34. Men's. Awesome. $25 all day long. And then we've got another American Eagle Next Level Flex. Love it, love it, love it. These are 28 by 32, so these are men's. Probably start these around $28 because they're that Next Level Air Flex, if you didn't see it. And then we have, yeah, I'm looking at this Life in Progress tag, and now I'm wondering, I think I might remember this or it might be familiar to me because it's poop. But this is a really cute denim top. Chambray denim button front women's shirt. So I'll put it over here in the comp pile. This box is empty, so I need to pull the other box forward. I will be right back. Next we have Old Navy. These aren't jeans. That's okay though. They're not denim though. These are wide leg, extra high rise, like khakis, slacks, pants. A lot of people don't know that khaki doesn't really always refer to the color. Khaki can be a style of pants, but it's most commonly associated with the color tan. When you say khakis, that's what you think of. Just a little bit of a fun fact for you guys. I see more American Eagle. I also see, if I pull, things are probably going to start falling. Let's do that. All right, we have some Just Black. This is the brand. If you see it at the thrift, keep on walking. Keep on walking. I'm going to list them. They're white, but they look pretty good. They've been washed. They're nice and clean, so I'll go ahead and list them. I normally really don't like dealing with white clothing, but I don't know. I'm going to have to comp them, but I'm going to call them bread and butter. This is, I can never read this. Can. So I got a pair of cans in the last startup box. They were just a regular denim. And they've been photographed, but they're sitting in our catalog waiting to be listed. So I don't even think Keith has comped them yet. I'm going to call them bread and butter. They're white as well, but they look nice. I mean, when I go to measure them and photograph them, I may find a flaw or something, but they look pretty good. That's a brand we'll have to look up because I don't know it offhand. Another pair of Abercrombie and Fitch shorts. So that's nice. More bread and butter for me. Bread and butter for us. Throwing jeans on the floor. Roz and Allie. This is a poop brand. Honestly. But you know what? Guess who's going to list them? They feel kind of light too. I think these will probably go first class. If not, it'll be like just at a pound. I'm going to put them in as bread and butter. I'm assuming I can do 18 or 20 for these, but I'll have to look it up because our brand's kind of... American Eagle Extreme Flex. Slim Straight Extreme Flex. Men's start them around 27, 28. I love the Extreme Flex. I think I did a whole haul video once on the different American Eagle, different flexes and stretches and stuff that they have on their labels that you can look for that can help you list them for more. There are certain things that make jeans button fly, the next level flex. There's just certain things you can just ask a couple of dollars more for. Plus size, cool graphics. I'm not familiar with this brand. I gut feeling want to call it poop, but we will be fair and comp it, okay? We'll give it a fair chance. Next, we have some pants. These look like capris. Ooh, they're cute. They're cuffed at the bottom. How cute are those? Not that cute. Oh, wait. You know what? I think that I want to look these up at the end. It's United Colors of Benetton. But I feel like those might be money and not just bread and butter. So we will look them up. This is Regeneration. Oh, Celebrity Pink is poop. I'm here to tell you today. If you learn nothing from this video, learn to avoid Celebrity Pink. Can you see it? No, you can't because I have no depth perception and my camera won't focus. There you go. Avoid this brand. But if you get it in a thread up, list this brand. Call it bread and butter. Right. Next we have American Eagle Flex for 360 degrees. Men's 29 by 32. Slim straight. Slim straight. Flex. And they are mint, so those will start around $28. I'm liking this box. Like, I haven't pulled out a lot of luxury or money brands, but I mean, there is some solid, really good bread and butter in here. And stuff that actually moves a little more quickly for us typically. And for a little bit more money than our run-of-the-mill bread and butters. PacSun. I'll list them. I mean, it's a brand I'd probably pass on at the thrift. I said them. It's not shorts. It's a skirt. It's a denim skirt. It's cut off. I'm thinking 18 or 20 bucks. Obviously, this will be something we'll comp, but cool. I'm not even looking where I'm throwing stuff now. Old Navy, Rockstar, size 0. A lot of love the small sizes because they ship first class. This is a solid bread and butter. $20 pair of jeans. And then we have Banana Republic. This brand is poop. But I'm going to list them for 20 and let it ride. See what happens. All right, one more pair for this video, and then I'll be back in part 3. Let's do these. Ooh, I like the way these look so far. These are, oh, they're H&M, but they are very large size. So these are men's, and size, I just saw it, 42 by 32. So because they're a larger size, I might actually try to get like 22-ish. Might want to comp them because I really haven't dealt with this brand a lot. And definitely not in men's, and definitely not a larger size. So this is an example of when I go to list these. I always tell people, don't waste your time comping. Don't spend too much time like looking for the exact thing you have. If you can find similar shirts, jeans, whatever in that brand, you're pretty good. But with something like this, I want to actually comp the coupe. I can't say that word, but you see the style on there, the coupe etra or whatever. I want to try to find that specific style of this brand in men's jeans. And then I also want to look for men's jeans that are size 42 waist in this brand, and then choose our starting price from that, because it seems like these two might make it more valuable. So we'll mark this as bread and butter, and I will be back in the next video to finish what's left in this box. We'll do some comps and figure out how much I paid per piece. Go be productive, guys. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.